Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Miss Rita Ghosh, and in today's video, I'm going to give you all a brief introduction about myself while I do my makeup. But before we start, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to join the Glam Fam. You can also connect with me on my social handles via the all-in-one link mentioned right below in the description box. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. I've already prepped my skin. My skin preparation is done, so I'll be directly starting with the primer. The primer I'm using today is the Prosh Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer. I'll be using a little bit of it on my T-zone. So I wanted to have this formal introduction with you guys, as in who I am, what do I do, what's the purpose of this channel. So my name is Rita, and I am the founder of this studio called Glam Up Studio and Academy, and it's located in Barakpur. I am from Kolkata. Next, I'll be using a dark shade concealer. This is by Forever 52. It's their complete coverage concealer. I'll be using the dark shade of this to cover up my imperfections. तो शुरू करने से पहले मैं अपना थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड देना चाह रही थी कि मैं पहले क्या करती थी और क्यों ये लाइन मैंने चुना एंड एवरीथिंग. तो थोड़ा पीछे जाते हैं. I was doing my bachelor's in biotechnology from Amit University, and I started that in 2018, and it continued till 2021. There was a lockdown in 2020, and online classes happened, and I completed my BSc during the lockdown time. During that time, the only thing that kept me alive was makeup. I mean, the only time pass I had during that time was this thing. I used to binge watch makeup tutorials, not only makeup for that matter, nail tutorials, then mehendi tutorials, everything. I mean, this entire beauty and glam field kept me interested. So honestly, I never thought that I would take this up as a profession, because that was never the plan. मैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी कर रही थी, तो उसके बाद जॉब करना था, तो यही प्लान था. But then during the year 2022, my health condition worsened. मतलब बहुत ख़राब हो गया था तबीयत, और फिर कुछ मतलब फैमिली में भी कुछ इश्यूज आए, कुछ डिफ़िकल्टीज, कुछ अपने जनों का डेथ हो गया, तो ये सब चल रहा था. So that's when I completely took myself off social media. I deleted all my accounts from social media, and there wasn't any trace of me on social media. मतलब मैं थोड़ा बहुत मॉडलिंग भी करती थी उस टाइम पे, टाइम पास था. मतलब बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का तो चल ही रहा था, और साथ साथ मॉडलिंग भी करती थी वीकेंड्स पे. लेकिन उसके बाद हमने सोशल मीडिया पूरा बंद कर दिया. So I'm using this foundation from Smashbox. It's their Studio Skin 15-hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This is a very good foundation, by the way. Huh? Applying small dots all over my face. It might look a little light right now, but it'll oxidize once we blend it. So after that, when I saw that the only thing that I was enjoying during the lockdown time was everything related to beauty, nail tutorials, makeup tutorials, and mehendi tutorials, everything related to beauty, lifestyle, fashion, all those content creators. I used to watch their videos all day. And then suddenly I had this idea of doing some courses related to these. तो फिर हमने पापा को बताया कि हमको कोर्सेज करने जाना है, क्योंकि कोर्सेज इधर नहीं था, मतलब कोलकाता में नहीं था. वो हमको दिल्ली, सूरत, मुंबई, ये सब जगह जाना पड़ता था. तो इसीलिए हमने पापा को बोला कि हम जा सकते हैं. तो पापा, और मुझे लगा नहीं था कि पापा इतना जल्दी मान लेंगे कि मतलब मैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी फील्ड से हूँ और अचानक मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं मेकअप करूँगी. तो फिर वो मुझे लगा था कि बोलूँ या ना बोलूँ, मानेंगे या नहीं मानेंगे. वो थोड़ा डाइसी थी मैं उस सिचुएशन पे. फिर हमने बता ही दिया कि बोल के ही देख लेते, क्या ही होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नहीं मानेंगे. फिर पापा ने एक बारी में मान लिया. मम्मी भी राज़ी हो गए जाने के लिए हमारे साथ. तो मैं, मम्मी और मौसी गए थे कोर्सेज के वहाँ दिल्ली और सूरत, मुंबई में. हम लोग रहे उधर, कोर्सेज किए, फिर वापस आए। फिर आके हमने हमारा जो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का था फिर वही कर रहे थे, क्योंकि हमारा तब तक मास्टर्स चालू हो गया। तो 1 सेकेंड, आई एम यूजिंग दिस कंसीलर राइट नाउ। दिस इज अ शुगर मैजिक वॉन्ड वाटरप्रूफ कंसीलर फॉर हाईलाइटिंग। Yeah, so I came back, then I got back to my biotechnology degree because वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मास्टर्स चालू हो गया था तब तक। 2021 में हमने मास्टर्स हमारा चालू हो गया। फिर उसके बाद वही कंटिन्यू हो रहा था। तो कॉलेज का स्टडीज़ का भी प्रेशर था, क्योंकि रिसर्च लाइन आप लोग समझते हो, उसमें इंटर्नशिप करने जाना पड़ता है। फिर कॉलेज का भी रिसर्च का वर्क, और मास्टर्स बहुत हेक्टिक होता है। तो फिर हमने 2023 में वो कंप्लीट किया अपना एमएससी। उसके बाद मेरा हेल्थ कंडीशन, जैसे हम बताए, वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही वर्सन अप हो गया था। तो तब हमने सोचा कि हमको जो करना पड़ेगा इधर ही, मतलब माँ बाप के पास रह के ही करना पड़ेगा। मुझे एंडोमेट्रियोसिस है और मेरा अपेंडिक्स का भी ऑपरेशन हुआ था 2022 में। तो तब हमने सोच लिया कि हम बाहर अकेला रह के, मुझे भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा था, क्योंकि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का जो जॉब्स है ना, वो ज़्यादातर बैंगलोर या फिर मुंबई इसी जगह से आते हैं। तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना इधर से ही कुछ किया जाए, कुछ अपना। और मुझे हमेशा से शौक था कि अपना बिजनेस होगा मेरा, क्योंकि पापा भी बिजनेस करते हैं। तो एक था मेरा कि कभी ना कभी लाइफ में जाके मुझे बिजनेस करना था। So I thought, why not now? Forever 52 loose banana powder. So it was then that I had a talk with my mom and dad that I want to do this. So they were like, okay. They didn't have a problem from day one. Which I thought, I was like, I was a bit skeptical कि बताऊँ या नहीं बताऊँ, मानेंगे या नहीं मानेंगे। फिर again they completely agreed to my thought, and then the construction of this space began in 2024. It was during that time that the construction of this studio took place, and everything, starting from the furnitures to the entire setup, everything was planned by me and my dad. Both of us, we went for the market surveys and everything. तो इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर नहीं लिया हमने खुद ही से किया ये, क्योंकि शुरू ही कर रहे थे। तो फिर स्टार्टिंग में हम इतना, because this space is a large one, I'll show you the space in one of my studio tours. But so the budget was huge, so to cut down on the budget we thought of planning the studio by ourselves. And क्योंकि मेरे पापा ऑलरेडी कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन में थे, तो उनको कुछ आइडिया था। और फिर हमने भी पिंटरेस्ट में देखा कुछ चीज़ें, तो वहीं से कुछ आइडियाज़ आए। फिर उसके बाद हमने लोग हायर किए। तो ये स्टूडियो पूरा कंप्लीट होने में और सब कुछ रेडी होने में 1 साल लग गए हमको। उसके बाद ओपनिंग हुआ 1 जनवरी 2025। क्लिप्स हम डाल देंगे ओपनिंग का। उसके बाद से ये चल रहा था। तो यूट्यूब शुरू करने में थोड़ा टाइम लग गया, क्योंकि गैजेट का सब कुछ का सेटअप आप लोगों को पता ही है, इतना ईजी है नहीं। तो उसी में थोड़ा टाइम लग गया। लेट्स डू द आईब्रोज फर्स्ट। आई एम यूजिंग दिस इनसाइट smudge free eyebrow pencil. This has a spoolie to one end of it. You can use this also, you can use a different spoolie brush also. We'll talk after I'm done with my brows, because that needs precision. Now that my brows are done, the next step we'll be doing is bronzing. I'll be using this bronzer from Revolution. It's a cool tone bronzer. Taking it on a slanted brush. Always tap off the excess while using a bronzer. When the opening of this place happened, I was like the happiest, because this was my dream profession, to be very honest. I always wanted to do this, irrespective of whatever courses I did in life. Biotechnology was a prime part of my life. I got a lot of recognition for that, but this was my passion. I don't know why, but this was. I used to love makeup since childhood. Like, I used to use my mom's makeup, she also loves makeup. My mom also loves makeup, so I think it's the genes that's doing its job. So yeah, here we are today, sitting at my own studio and academy. It was a long journey. It wasn't easy, neither financially nor mentally. It was tough. It may seem like I'm starting it from my own studio, like I'm so privileged, but I worked for it. I worked in the biotechnology field to build this. Okay, so next up I'm using this blush and highlight palette from Maybelline. Taking a fluffy brush. I like to keep my blush a bit on the temple area, like I don't keep it on the apples of my cheeks. Like my face is already round, so if I keep it on the apples of my cheeks, it will look even bigger. So keeping it on the temple area makes your face look snatched. Always blend your blush with your contour. Always. Otherwise, you'll look like a streak on your face. A little bit on the nose. Next, I'm going to use a highlighter from the same palette. Now, talking about the present stats of what all services and courses are offered in the studio. Firstly, services based on makeup, hairstyle, skin, nails, and mehendi are offered in my studio. Courses on the same as well. This is an ISO certified studio, ISO 9001 is 2015 certified studio. And about my social media channels, I want to make this very clear. About my social media channels, I'll be hosting 2 channels each on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. The one's named Srijita Ghosh Glam Up will be hosting content related to makeup, hairstyle, skin, nails, and mehendi. And the one's named Srijita Ghosh Official will be hosting content related to beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Please do subscribe and join my channels. Also, there will be a link given in my description box, which if you click, you can get all my details like my location, my accounts, my social media, my everything related to me, my contact details, my WhatsApp, everything. That's known as the all-in-one link. You can find that right below in the description box. So please do check that out. You can connect with me on my social handles. I'll be posting both educational and entertaining content for you all, because makeup is entertaining and educational as well. Now time for the eyes. I'll be using this palette from Revolution. Taking a fluffy brush, and I'll be using a very light shade on my crease. Oh, this crease is not blended. I'm not doing any sort of base on my eyes today because it'll be a very light eye look. I don't want to keep it much. So yeah, that was about me. You'll get to know more about me as we proceed through the channels. The ones wanting to join my courses or take any services from the studio can contact me. All my contact details are mentioned there. You'll be directly reaching to the app, whichever icon you click. My phone number, my email, everything is mentioned there. Also, the courses you'll be joining will be ISO certified courses. It was a long ass journey, because I started my first course in 2022, and then I opened my studio in 2025, and now I'm posting my first social media content in 2026. I was off social media for 3 years because of some major health complications of mine. So since I'm back, I wanted to have a formal intro because people right now on social media might not know me, because I took myself off social media long back. I was in the modeling field. People used to know me back then, but now that there wasn't any trace of me on social media for that matter. Which is why I gave a formal introduction to myself. Adding a bit of shimmer to my inner eyelid, just a little bit, not much. This mascara is from, I think it's from Oriflame. This is the On Color Big Lash Mascara. This is a great mascara. Like you can see, it will instantly see the length it gave to my lashes. Next up, I'm using this blue kajal from Amag Beauty. It's a beautiful shimmery blue kajal. I like to keep my kajal halfway till my eyes because that makes my eyes look a bit bigger. Doing the full thing makes it look small. Next, I'll be using this Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Bloodbath. Next, I'll be using this PAC Sweet Sensation lip cream in the shade Selfie Queen 06. It's a very moussey texture. It's not transfer proof, by the way. Finishing off the final step, which is the setting spray. This is the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I'm using this all over my face. Let it dry. So that's what my complete look is. That's a wrap for today. Do let me know what content do y'all want from me. I would love to do them for you guys. I hope you guys liked today's video, and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Catch y'all in my next video. Till then, keep glamming up. Bye bye.